BabyBus.
Guided learning. I'm the little duck Quacky. This is my friend Kiki. Huh? Where is Kiki? Let's find him. Hi, Quacky. Oh? Kiki, where are we? Welcome to the animal kingdom. Here we could find lots of animals. Wow! What animal is this? This is a rock, not animals. Is this an animal? That is a plant. Plant is not animal either. Where are the animals? Dear kids, let's help Quacky find the animals. Tap and find the animals. Monkey. Crocodile. Leopard. Shark. Parrot. Eagle. There are so many of them. Animals can live in the sky, on land, in the sea. You can even find animals in hottest deserts and the coldest polar regions. Little animals are so much fun. Let's play with them. But I need to deliver medals. What medals are these? These are Animal Champion medals. The Lion King asked me to give them to Animal Champions. Animal Champions! That sounds fantastic! The box of each medal has the photo of the animal. I just need to deliver according to the photos. Which animal should get the medal for largest animal? Do you know which animal is the largest? A. Dog. B. Monkey. C. Blue whale. That's right! You are right! The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It is much bigger than the largest elephant on land. I get it! The blue whale should get the medal for largest animal. You're right. Here are medal for strong warrior, medal for master of transformation, medal for master of invisibility, and many other medals. Would you like to help deliver the medals? Count on Quacky. Be careful. Oh no! The medals and photos are separated. Now I don't know which medal each animal should get. I'm sorry. Let me see. I have an idea. Let's head for the animal kingdom. Observe the animals carefully. Then choose the right medals for them. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!